Alright guys, this is Nissan Xtrail, and what I'm doing here, I'm replacing the instrument cluster. So the problem with this vehicle is the fact that the fuel gauge has not been working properly, giving wrong reading. I replaced the fuel pump. I thought that would be the problem. I replaced it twice and the same thing was still happening, and eventually I decided to replace the instrument cluster, and apparently that seems to have resolved the problem. I do not have enough time to show you the details of everything I've done. As you can see, there are a lot of pieces on the ground, but all I've just done, ordered, you know, this replacement part from eBay, and this is the old one. So, and that seems to have solved the problem now. So before you start going to replace your fuel pump, you may want to consider replacing this instrument cluster. Okay, and I hope this is going to help somebody out there. So this is Nissan Xtrail 2006 basically, and that's it for now. Please subscribe and look out for more. Take care of yourself. Cheers.